Today we're going to talk about the conversion regulator we do on these old Mopars. And when we do the conversion, we make them adjustable. This one here is also adjustable. It's a generator regulator off an old Buick that we converted for a customer. This is a conversion regulator for the early Mopars. You've got input power from the key, you got field control, and you have ground. One of the things these old Mopars suffer with is they require full key power to operate the regulator. And everybody complains about them overcharging. Well, the issue is the input is not full power, and so the regulator raises a set point. This is the way they originally come, with the contact points and the close-in coil, but these aren't adjustable. And so we like to make them adjustable. Makes a way cleaner option for the customer. You get the cap back on, you never know that it was changed. To help fix the problem on these early Mopars, we suggest a little cube relay. And our diagram here that we include explains how you wire that relay so that you will be getting full battery power to this terminal. And this is a picture of the back of the cover off the regulator, showing what we have right here. Full instructions on telling you what to do to keep the set point at a proper voltage and the things that's required to make that happen. Back to the cube relay, we've got the number identification on here and what it goes to, and you can see they're all numbered. And by turning on the relay with the key and then letting the key activate it, you can put full battery power to the ignition terminal, which is critical for this to have a good set point.